A drop of charged mercury will attract gold very well in the pan. As always though, be careful with mercury. Do not let any of it spill. It's important to use gloves when handling mercury directly because the mercury can be absorbed through your skin. Once you've collected all the gold with your mercury, you can use a little piece of cloth to squeeze out the excess mercury. What you do is you put your mercury in the cloth and carefully bunch it into a ball. Squeeze the cloth and it'll take out the excess mercury, leaving only the gold amalgam inside the cloth. Next we'll show how to heat the amalgam and recover the mercury inside the retort. Before you put the mercury into the retort, cover the holder in newspaper to keep the gold from sticking to the steel. Put the mercury and the gold that it's collected into a piece of newspaper and then put it into the retort. Now the retort is ready to use. We fill our bucket with water, we put the base inside the bucket, and we put the outer tube over the amalgam. What we're going to do is heat the retort from the outside using a propane torch. What that's going to do is inside the retort, it's going to be hot enough to vaporize the mercury. Those mercury vapors are not going to come out, but they're going to fall back down into the water and recondense into liquid. This way, you don't breathe in the mercury vapors and you can recover the mercury. The gold will be left behind in the cup. As you heat the retort, the air inside will expand and bubble through the water. No mercury gas will escape through the water because the mercury will recondense into liquid. Another way of heating the retort, if you don't have propane, is using a wood fire. What you need is a wire mesh for the bottom. The holes have to be as small as you can find them. On top of the mesh, you put a cylindrical tube. Inside the tube, build a fire with bark or put coals that are already hot. The mesh is necessary for the air to flow through and heat the fire really hot.